Zapier costs you $240 a year on the starter plan. n8n, self-hosted, costs you $0. Today you build 3 real automations that run your business and you never pay Zapier another cent. Zapier's free tier gives you 100 tasks a month. If you are running any kind of real business, a contact form, a newsletter, a spreadsheet, you update regularly. You burn through 100 tasks in the first week of the month. So you upgrade to the starter plan, $19.99 a month, 750 tasks. That's $240 a year just to move data between apps. And if you need AI in your automations, you're looking at the team plan at $69 a month. That's over $800 a year. n8n Community Edition is self-hosted, open source, 187,000 GitHub stars, no execution limits, and it runs on a $5 server or your own laptop. Those are the numbers. Let's get into it. Open your terminal. One command, docker run it. Oram p 567 Docker pulls the image, spins up the container, and your n8n instance is live. In your browser, go to localhost:5678. You'll see the setup screen, create an owner account with an email and password, no verification needed, and you're inside. The whole install takes under 2 minutes. If you don't want to run this on your laptop, you can spin up a DigitalOcean droplet for $5 a month, SSH in, run the same command, and your workflows are live around the clock. n8n does offer a cloud version that starts at about $20 a month, comparable to Zapier's pricing, so I want to be clear. The $0 angle here requires the self-hosted Docker root. Once you're inside, you see a clean canvas. Left side is your node panel. Every integration, every trigger, every AI model is a node you drag onto the canvas and connect. There's no per-task pricing, no usage meter, no upgrade wall. Let's build 3 workflows that would cost you real money anywhere else. Workflow 1 is inbound lead intake. On the canvas, click Add Node and search for webhook. Drop it down. In the settings, it generates a unique URL. Copy that URL and paste it into your contact form, whether that's Typeform, your own HTML form, or any form builder. Set the method to post, set the response mode to immediately so the form doesn't time out, then activate the node so it listens. Next, drop a code node after the webhook. Inside, you write a short JavaScript block that pulls name, email, and message out of the incoming body and returns them as clean fields. This normalizes the data so the AI node downstream doesn't have to guess what it's looking at, which keeps your token usage tight and your costs down. Now drop an AI agent node. Connect it to OpenAI or Anthropic in the Credentials panel. Paste your API key once, and you're connected. In the system prompt, write, "You are a lead qualification assistant." Based on the following contact form submission, classify the lead as hot, warm, or cold. Hot means they mentioned a specific budget, timeline, or urgent problem. Warm means they're interested but vague. Cold means they're just browsing. Return only one word, hot, warm, or cold. In the user message field, reference the parsed name, email, and message fields. The prompt is tight, so you're spending maybe a fraction of a cent per lead on tokens. After the AI agent, drop an IF node. The condition is, if the AI output contains the text hot, route left. Otherwise, route right. On the left branch, drop a Slack node, connect it to your workspace, pick your sales channel or personal DM, and set the message to alert you immediately with the lead's name and what they said. On the right branch, drop a Google Sheets node and append the lead as a new row for later review. Connect everything, save, activate. From this point forward, every form submission gets categorized by AI and either pings you in Slack or files itself for later at 0 task cost. Workflow 2 is the daily AI digest. On Zapier, a workflow that has a schedule trigger, fetches data from multiple places, runs AI summarization, then sends a message counts every step as a task per run every day. Here it runs every morning for the rest of your life at 0 marginal cost. Start with a schedule trigger node set to run daily at 8 a.m. in your local time zone. Next, drop 3 HTTP request nodes in parallel, each set to GET, each pointing to an RSS feed URL for a publication you actually read. The response from each one comes back as XML, so add a small code node after each HTTP node to extract the top 3 article titles and links from the feed. That gives you 9 items total. Merge them into one array with a merge node. Now drop another AI agent node. System prompt, you're a concise business intelligence assistant. Read these article titles and links and write a 5-sentence briefing in a direct, no-fluff tone. Group similar topics. Call out anything that directly affects small business operators or solopreneurs. Start with the most important item. Pass your merged array into the user message field. If you want the output in your own voice, add 2 or 3 example sentences to the system prompt. After the AI agent, drop a Telegram node or an email node. For Telegram, you need a bot token from BotFather, which is free, and your chat ID. For email, connect SendGrid or Gmail in credentials. Set the message body to the AI output and activate the workflow. Tomorrow morning at 8, you get a briefing covering your 3 sources, written in your voice, sent directly to you, and it costs you nothing to run every day. Workflow 3 is lead enrichment with AI-tailored outreach. On Zapier, to watch a Google Sheet for new rows, call an enrichment API, run AI personalization, and write back to the sheet, you need a paid plan plus AI by Zapier credits, which on the Pro tier is still capped. People building outbound sequences in Zapier are often spending $40 a month just on this one workflow. Start with a Google Sheets trigger node. Connect your Google account, select the spreadsheet where your leads land, and set the trigger to fire when a new row is added. The row needs at minimum a column for company name and a column for the contact's name. Drop an HTTP request node set to get. Use Clearbit's free lookup endpoint, clearbit.com/v2/company/find, with the domain query parameter pulled from the email column. The response comes back with company description, industry, employee count, and other useful fields. If you don't have Clearbit access, use hunter.io's free tier, or a simple HTTP call to scrape the company's own meta description, which is usually enough for personalization. Parse the response in a code node and pull out the description field. Now, drop your AI agent node. System prompt: you're an outbound sales assistant. Write a single sentence, maximum 20 words, that references something specific about this company and connects it to a problem a growing business might have. Do not use the word synergy, leverage, or excited. Sound like a person. User message, the contact's name, the company name, and the enriched description. The output is one short, personalized sentence that cost about 1/10 of a cent in tokens. After the AI agent, drop a Google Sheets node set to update row. Use the row number that came in with the trigger to update the exact row that was just added, writing the AI output into a column named intro line. When you open your sheet the next morning, every new lead that came in overnight already has a tailored first line ready for your outreach. The whole enrichment and personalization loop ran while you slept at 0 cost per run. 3 workflows: lead intake with AI routing and Slack alerts, daily news briefing in your voice, lead enrichment with personalized outreach copy. All 3 together on Zapier Starter plan would pressure your task budget hard and push you toward the team plan at $69 a month, over $800 a year. On self-hosted n8n, the running cost is $5 a month for the VPS, or 0 if you run it on your laptop. Your only variable cost is AI API calls, and for the volume a solo operator runs, that's a few dollars a month at most. The AI nodes in n8n are native. You don't need a separate scenario calling out to OpenAI and then another step to handle the response. The AI agent node handles the model call, the tool use, and the response parsing all in one node. That keeps your workflows tight and your logic readable 6 months from now when you need to change something. One honest note on self-hosting: if your VPS reboots, you need to restart the container, but you can add restart unless stopped to the Docker run command, and it comes back up automatically. Keeping the image updated is one Docker pull command every few weeks. That is the real cost, about 5 minutes of maintenance a month in exchange for $240 a year back in your pocket. Go build these 3 workflows right now. The Docker command is on screen, the install takes under 2 minutes, and by the time you're done with workflow 3, you will have replaced the subscription. You want more automations that cut your SaaS spend and actually run your business? Subscribe to the Operator AI. Every tutorial is built around tools you can deploy today, not theory. Subscribe, go build something.